Hey everyone, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. Today I want to talk about KPIs you should integrate in your company to track your recruitment processes. But not only that, we will also take a closer look at the KPIs, and I will show you how our virtual 3D offices can help you to boost those specific KPIs. So let's get started. Companies invest a lot of time and money in recruiting to attract top candidates. But how can you measure the success of these efforts? This is where key performance indicators, short KPIs, come into play. KPIs help you to measure the effectiveness of activities and achievement of goals, enabling you to make informed decisions and keep your processes optimized. But let's talk more about the most important KPIs now and how you can improve them with virtual 3D offices. The first one I want to talk about is the time to hire. This basically describes how long you need to hire and pre-qualify candidates. Virtual 3D offices can help there to keep the processes lean but also still effective. And as I mentioned in the last videos already, in our virtual 3D offices, candidates come in and directly get an automated roadshow through your 3D replica of your office, so people can see the space, but at the same time also learn more about their potential team members in mini games. For example, they also can already get an overview about their daily tasks and can already get pre-qualified, so you can see if those are a good fit. Those pre-qualified applications you can then invite in an in-person tour through your 3D office. This will work similar to Zoom, but in this 3D space. You will see some reference how something like this can look in the background. And in this space you can then ask them some more questions, and once you found the gold nuggets under the applications, you can directly hire them. The onboarding later also can be held in the virtual 3D offices with gamifications and mini games, so that all the information they will get stay in the minds of your employees in the long term. You already see here that the time to hire or the time to fill get drastically shortened with this approach, and it will build up trust and help people to make the decisions to switch the company to work for you. Most people think that skilled workers are rare, but the truth here is that they just work at other companies. And however, most people don't just quit their job just because they saw an ad you did online or something like that. They want to see how your company culture is, and they want to see why you are better like the company they are currently working in. And the offices help them to make those informed decisions and build up the trust to actually go the step to make the application at your company. Another point is the cost per hire, which describes the costs you have to hire people. Of course, a virtual 3D office, and especially recreating your office as a 3D model and setting up the AI characters of your team members, will take some time and resources. On the other side, this is a one-time investment which you have quickly back when you're looking to hire many candidates with similar requirements regarding the skills. Then you can save much time and money of your HR managers to filter out the top candidates, since our AI and mini games will do the job for you. Also, virtual offices can support to stand out from the crowd and will set your recruitment page up from the competition, and this can also boost your existing ads and funnels and make them more effective. Another point is the candidate happiness. Many people don't think about it or don't pay much attention there, but this describes how happy the candidates are with the recruitment process in general. And of course, they will be happy when the process is short, easy, and transparent. The office can help you in all those points. The mini games to pre-qualify the candidates already allow you to have short hiring processes, or short processes to really pre-qualify the candidates basically. At the same time, they can already give the candidates an overview if they really fit in the job, or if they should make a application, or if it's maybe a waste of time. And this will also be very fair and transparent, since many people spending a lot of time to make an application and then they never hear back from you or stuff like that. So that's a no-go basically, and here we can keep the hiring processes very short and also transparent with the potential applicants basically. At the same time, of course, it's very important to take an eye at the quality of hire. This describes how well the employees fit in the company. Of course, when you are hiring people, you need to check many things, like if the skills match, if the qualifications to do the job match, But nowadays you also need to really check, especially when you're hiring people from Gen Z, like my generation, if they really want to do the job and if they can imagine to do that every day. And those mini games already help you to give them a feeling how the job later is. Because nothing is more annoying than onboarding the employees and then after a few weeks they see that they thought the job is like something different or they don't like it anymore or something like that. And those mini games will help you to filter out exactly those candidates. But of course also it's important to check if they really fit in your company culture. To find out all those things, you normally need many meetings to find out. But here our AI and mini games also will make it more simple to pre-qualify the candidates again. In quizzes and mini games we will already check the basic requirements or also a short personality test to see if the candidates are really fitting in the company. And in the mini games or by exploring the space, the candidates also can collect a score or points you can see. People, of course, who have the highest score or the most points are the most interested in the company and also the most skilled. So you can schedule calls with those people first. And the last point I want to talk about is that in our virtual offices we also have our very own KPIs we track, like for example the watch time or number of visits. So what we noticed so far is that those sites perform way better than classic 2D websites. The gamification keep people hooked since they want to explore the 3D space and want to talk with AI characters. Like this people learn more about your company in a gamified way, and like this they really see and understand the benefits of working at your company. Of course there are way more KPIs, so let me know if I maybe should make a separate video about maybe some other KPIs in the next weeks so you can get a better overview and understanding about like how those virtual 3D offices can work and look like for your business. If you're looking for a unique and innovative way to boost your recruitment and you liked the concept of virtual 3D offices featuring AI characters, then I would be very happy to learn more about your company and the KPIs you want to improve with our virtual 3D offices. Here you directly can find my mail, so feel free to contact me to learn more about what we are doing with the virtual 3D offices so we can together figure out how they also could look like for your business. In a first quick meeting I can, for example, also already show you which benefits those 3D offices will bring to your business and how a virtual 3D space could look like for your company. All those are things I can show you in the first free meeting. But yeah, if you are still unsure about the offices, we also made many more videos showing the features, benefits and testimonials on our channel, so you feel free to also check that out. And you can also find our own virtual 3D offices in the description to visit and test it out as well. I'm looking forward to hearing from you and I hope you enjoyed the video. But yeah, that's it from my end. Have a nice rest of your day everyone and take care. Bye.